Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Subject, what does it mean to renew or roll over a payday loan? Generally, renewing or rolling over a payday loan means that you pay a fee to delay paying back the loan. This fee does not reduce the amount you owe. You still owe the principal and an additional fee for the rollover. Some payday lenders give borrowers the option to renew or roll over their loans if they can't afford to pay off the loan when it's due. However, many states limit or ban these renewals or rollovers. If your loan is renewed or rolled over, instead of being repaid in full on its due date, you're paying a fee to extend the loan due date. Renewing by paying just the fees does not reduce the principal amount you owe. Similar to your credit card, if all you're doing paying off the interest on a monthly basis. In other words, you're making a minimum payment on your credit card. Well, that minimum payment is probably greater than your interest. So in addition to your principal amount being stagnant, you're doing a reverse pyramid where you're adding interest to the interest and principal. And it's just growing, growing, and growing. And if it's a reverse pyramid and a minimum payment, that pyramid is going to just take Mount Everest and turn it upside down. And that's what's going to end up if you're stuck just paying the minimum amount on your credit card. I know we're a little bit off subject, but the principle is the same. Here's an example on a typical payday loan. If you borrowed $300, you may owe $345 in 14 days. That'd be $300 plus the 45 interest or finance charge. If you roll over the loan and pay only the $45 interest, you have to repay the $300 plus another $45 charge 14 days later. That means the cost of the original $300 loan due to rollover has gone from $45 to $90. If you roll over the loan multiple times, you may pay several $100s in fees and still owe the amount you borrowed. If you don't understand that, comment. Leave what you're confused about over here so other people might be in the same boat and the community may have some great answers. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching. See you soon.